Which one?
Just say it.
What's your choice, Derek?
Dude, look at that guy.
Oh, mom is.
Can we take a break?
Yeah.
All right, goodbye.
Goodbye. Band in place?
Is this gonna be a video?
Yeah.
Welcome back to the channel.
Welcome back.
It's been a minute.
It's been a while.
We got an actual camera
Almost
now.
like a year.
Almost, huh?
We haven't put since last October. October, November. You
Sorry, my stomach made some noise.
Since last October, November, we haven't made a video.
But we've recorded, we just didn't
It's
post.
just, okay, but then the video's still not there.
Sorry about that.
We're back.
We're at the Camarillo Insane Asylum. There is a barn a little bit over there. We'll take some B-roll out of that. We'll play that in the background or whatever. Right now we're at the actual building where they also kept some inmates and some other people with some mental problems. Rest in peace, all of their souls for all the lives that have been lost. Today is August 6th, Tuesday, 2024. I'm Derek. This is
Bree.
and
Zach.
As you can see, we have an OUIJA board. We're obviously it's not the best idea to bring it to an insane asylum because there's actually things here. There's been past YouTubers who brought their paranormal equipment and actually got some activity. So we're trying to see if we get something.
Probably not the brightest idea.
What he said, not the brightest idea.
Have we ever had bright ideas?
That's true.
Really had any bright ideas?
Never.
No.
Been to so many places already. But yeah, I mean, stay tuned if you want to see some creepy shit happening. Hopefully,
Word.
If it does happen,
if it does happen,
we'll
if not,
catch
it's-
it.
Yeah, hopefully. If there's any ghosts out in there, just know we're ready for you.
Yeah, Richard.
We're ready to say
Ready.
hola.
We're ready. We have an OUIJA board, so you can contact us.
It's gonna be Richard, y'all.
Just
I
don't
promise
follow us. Yeah.
Yeah.
We're just coming to visit.
Yeah.
Don't stick with us.
We'll close off and everything properly.
Yeah, hopefully. Alrighty, guys. Well, this is the intro. Thank you. Welcome back. We'll see you in a sec.
Later.
Boom. Boom. Alrighty. We're currently checking this place out.
It's pretty cold in here too. Like, feel right here.
Oh yeah.
It feels warm to me. I don't know why. I don't know why. Hold up.
He's just a warm guy already.
Do you guys want to play right here?
Oh yeah,
In
we
this
can
corner?
definitely play here.
Let's play where we did cat scratch. In here.
So
No, it has
we're saying some things that. So basically, we came here a while ago. We didn't bring the OUIJA board. We didn't bring the camera, of course. No.
We had the Ghost Finder app.
We had the Ghost Finder app. Yep, that
And
is
this
what
room
we
had the most activity in it.
Of course, yep. It had the most activity. We got dots. If I have the footage, I'll put it on. If not, I'm sorry.
I think we do.
But yeah, we have the OUIJA board. Do you want to play right now, or do you want to wait?
I thought we should explore.
Let's do it right now.
But she wants to do it right now.
Okay. All right. Apparently, we're gonna do the OUIJA board right now. So let's get to it.
That's pretty cool.
Let's see. Is there anything we need to say?
It's squeaking.
I think it's a bird.
Yeah, it's just a bird. That sure is. Where'd that come? Is he coming this way?
I don't think so.
Can we know your name? Sounds like someone's walking.
If there is any presence here, are you with us? You guys moving?
Nope.
You guys swear you're not moving it right now.
My
I'm barely
fingers
touching
are
it.
barely touching
Who's shaking?
But you swear you're not
I
moving?
swear to God, I'm just following it. Swear on your life for right now.
I'm swearing.
I
dude.
swear on my life.
There's no shot, dude. It just said. Sure, none of you guys
I
are
swear to
moving.
God, I'm not doing anything.
No way, dude. Okay, let's ask another question.
Don't wait to move it back.
No. It'll
Are
like
you-
move off and then move on.
Are you a boy?
You guys moving it?
No.
Yes. You sure you're not moving it, Bree?
I swear to God, I'm not.
Okay, so it's not a boy.
So it's a girl. Are you good?
Yeah. The instructions are on the back of that.
Back of this. Where's the little plaque?
It's underneath it.
The quiet begins. Dim the light, set the moon, and see what secrets unlock.
My bad.
Mysterious Ouija board. As it glides across the board, the Ouija plaque will reveal hidden messages. Ouija, are you there? Maybe that's what we said. Ouija, are you there? Ouija, are you there? Ouija, are you there? Maybe we say that 3 times. Let's have it.
You want to face that? You want to sit on that side? I sit on that side.
It's glass, dude. How you sitting on this shit?
I got a strong butt. Let's get closer to me.
Hell no, dude. You see this glass, bro?
I just got stabbed in the butt. I ain't moving.
Alright, ready? Just one for life. No, stupid.
Yeah, stupid. Look at the name. Look at the name,
I don't
dude.
give a fuck.
Okay, dude.
Let's say Ouija, are you there? 3 times, okay?
Both
We have
of
to
us
do
at
it.
the same time?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Ouija, are you there? Ouija, are you there? Ouija, are you there?
If there's any presence with us, are you here with us? My mic's not even on.
Oh.
Because you needed a battery, and I forgot to put the battery in.
Okay, well that was just really embarrassing then.
Did I shit my butt?
What do you mean by that?
Like the needles in glass.
Okay, things you should know. Pick a quiet place to use the Ouija board, cleanse it with sage, and increase the mood of anything. So, invite your friends to your Ouija board and make sure everything is in a good mood. Be polite with the spirits. Always say goodbye to end your session.
This is using 2 hands. Although they're also using 3 fingers.
Oh, what the fuck? You might have heard it's dangerous in Ouija board back at home. Or to use it. Okay. As long as you outside a local park, keep the lights on if it makes you feel more comfortable. Spirits can feed off of energy and sense fear, so being really afraid can make you more magnetic with other spirits. You might use it at a graveyard, cleanse it with energy.
It's your choice. Zach chose outside. I chose that room. It's your turn. Pick a room that speaks. I forgot there was a step there. It speaks to you. I like recording. It's fun.
To be real, be off camera or not. What if we pick like... Oh, yeah. I'm not saying anything.
No, say it.
Nope.
Say it.
Nope. It's your choice.
No, say it.
It's your choice.
Just say it.
What's your choice, Derek?
Dude, look at that drawing of the rabbit with the meatball. It's kind of cool.
You're kind of
Let's do
cool.
it here, and then we'll do wherever happens.
Bruh. Well, this is kind of what I'm... What if we did it here? Fireplace right there, good in there. She was reading something.
You can't make it out. Find someone who will trace the lines of our soul, maybe. Something believe they're made to be full. I don't know.
Dude, this is trash right here.
Nothing's gonna happen if we leave it behind, right?
It's just gonna be unattended, but
It said to take care of it though.
buy a Ouija board. You cannot follow us. No ghost can follow us. Thank you for trying to communicate. Just don't follow us. Keep the Ouija board. I don't give a fuck.
Communicate with someone else.
Communicate with someone else. Just not us. Sorry.
Derek wakes up tomorrow and it's under his bed.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking piss.
Derek calls me, he's like, so I'm moving in. Don't kiss me when I'm filming. Sorry. Why'd you turn? Never mind, I'm not saying that. Derek would do me so dirty. How far of a drop is that?
It's kind of hard, honestly. I thought it was less.
No.
What was that?
No. The fuck is that? Big. Oh.
Oh, you see it?
Yep. Is it a raccoon?
It's coming this way.
Is it a little tiny cat? Looks like a raccoon. That Loki scared the shit out of me.
Dude, I've never backed up so fast. Derek border hopped.
That was terrifying, dude. Fuck no.
I was so close to jumping off too, and I was like, fuck!
Are you okay, Derek?
I regretted every decision.
I was about to, I was like, grab the Ouija board. They don't want us to leave the fucking Ouija board, bro. I thought Derek was getting ran up on.
Dude, well, that thing had to have been running from something.
It was panicked.
Well, because it saw us.
All five of us, all four of us scared each other.
Or
Us and the whatever animal that was. That animal was scared. We were scared. We were. I think I might have peed myself.
Oh shit myself.
I was like, this is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. See if there's any prints.
He what? Yeah, what?
Prints from what it was.
Well, I think it came through right here.
Oh really?
Oh, really?
I was.
Oh, okay. It was a genuine one?
Yes.
What are you trying to search up?
nothing. I'm pretty sure there's an extension version of this.
Where
So
that
there's a
animal was
form.
running to?
Let's go this way. Let's see.
Where was it taking?
Probably were fucking foxes.
If you continue this road, there's something else over there.
Are we doing that tonight?
Okay.
Yeah.
Sound like you really want to do it.
I want to do it.